Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's shailah.leshe. Today is Freestyle Friday. So we're gonna be doing a DIY exfoliating lip scrub. That's how I got my lips all juicy and luscious. You feel me? Because I do this exfoliating scrub at least once a week so I can keep my lips looking juicy, pink, fresh, and hydrated. You want to learn how to get your lips exfoliated, hydrated, and luscious, honey? Then continue watching this video. Alright, so for this video, you'll need Vaseline, honey, coconut oil, brown sugar, olive oil, a lemon, and a soft bristle toothbrush. Brown sugar is an excellent exfoliating agent. It exfoliates all the dead skin layers that you have on the skin. So you can use regular sugar too. I just like to use brown sugar. But what sugar does is it draws in the moisture from the environment into the lips. So it just keeps your lips hydrated. It's also an excellent source of glycolic acid, which penetrates the skin and helps break down the dead skin cells, which creates a new fresh pink layer of skin. So definitely sugar is a must when using your exfoliating scrub. So for the lemon is a natural lightening agent. So you use that to lighten your lips. If you're a big smoker and your lips are dark from smoking, then the lemon juice will naturally lighten your lips over time, and it'll just bring back new fresh pink lips. Honey is great for the lips. It's naturally antibacterial, so it helps with dry lips. So it just helps hydrate, nourish, soothe, and lubricate the lips. It also helps with dark pigmentation to the lips, so it'll also work as a small lightening agent for your lips. So definitely honey is a must. So coconut oil. Coconut oil naturally has lauric acid, which also acts as an antibacterial agent. It also exfoliates dead skin cells as well, and it really just draws that moisture into the lips. It preserves the smoothness of the lips, so it prevents your lips from wrinkling. You have like wrinkled, kind of shriveled lips. Coconut oil naturally works to penetrate the skin, to smooth the lips out and make them naturally smooth and wrinkle free. So definitely coconut oil is definitely a must. So the olive oil and the Vaseline definitely work as natural exfoliants as well, and they pretty much do the same thing that the coconut oil does. It hydrates the lips and locks in moisture, so you'll definitely need both of these. I love using the Vaseline because the Vaseline really gets all those dead skin cells off. It just completely just erases all that dead skin. I also like using this at night, and then I wake up and wipe my lips, and all the dead skin just slides off. It's gross, but it works. It really works really well, and then my lips just stay nice and smooth and hydrated. So definitely need both of those. You'll also need something to mix your exfoliating mixture with. So I'm using this little mini bowl and this little mini spoon. Alright, so that's just a little background on what all the ingredients do. So let's get into the video. So first I'm going to take my coconut oil. This is just virgin cold pressed unrefined coconut oil. And I'm just going to take about a teaspoon. Well, really a tablespoon. I'm just going to take about a tablespoon and put it in my jar like that. Then I'm going to take my honey, just fill my spoon up. So about a tablespoon of honey. And I'm just going to put that to my mixture. I'm going to do 2 tablespoons of honey. Then I'm going to take my olive oil. This is just extra virgin cold pressed olive oil. I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of olive oil. So then I'm going to cut my lemon in half and add some lemon juice to my mixture. I'm gonna add my brown sugar. It's gonna take a spoonful. So I'm gonna take about 2 tablespoons. And then I'm gonna take some Vaseline. So about a tablespoon of Vaseline. All right, so now I have my mixture. I have Oops. Okay, let's try that again. So now I have my mixture. I have everything in here in the little bowl. So now I'm just gonna mix everything together really nicely. The Vaseline is kind of thick, so you wanna try to get that nice and mixed in with the other mixture. You're just gonna keep mixing until you see those Vaseline chunks completely dissolve. I normally do this scrub at least once a week, but I like to do it every other day. But I at least try to do it once a week. You don't want to do it every single day because you want to give your lips, you know, days to take a break. But if you want to do it every other day, that's totally fine. But if you think it's too much to do this every other day, at least do it once a week, and it's really gonna help exfoliate your lips very nicely. All right, so now my mixture is nice and creamy. I'm just gonna take my toothbrush, dip it into my mixture, and then I'm going to rub gently in circles around my lips. And then let this sit for about 2 to 3 minutes. And then you just want to take a wet rag and then just clean it off. I like to use like a hot rag. And it just feels so good and smooth. Yeah, it just feels so smooth. And then to top it off, you just want to take some more Vaseline and just use this to hydrate your lips after you exfoliate. It's literally that simple. It takes about 5 minutes. And if you do this regularly, your lips are going to be so nice and juicy and exfoliated, and they will be nice and pink. I love doing this exfoliating scrub because it really just locks in the moisture in my lips. It takes away all those dead, nasty skin cells, and it just creates this new layer of skin, and it just makes my lips super luscious and juicy. Like, I just love my lips when I do this scrub. So you're definitely gonna love it. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you like this video, and I will see you guys in my next video. Mwah.